Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error code Hillcat on Modern Warfare 3. So the first step, what you need to do here, you need to open up run, and then you need to write %appdata%, and then here you need to go to appdata local, and then if you play on Steam, completely close Steam, and then you need to look for Call of Duty folder here. And then you just need to delete that particular folder. If you're playing on Battle.net, you need to delete this folder and Blizzard Entertainment here, and then you need to launch the client. You will need to relog into that particular client that you're using, and then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. Then here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS. Then another command is /winsock reset. After that, you need to open up settings, open up network and internet, advanced network settings, and reset your network here. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using internet cable, you're good to go. Next up, you need to, again, network and internet, advanced network settings, find your internet connection here. Then expand option, more adapter options here. Then you need to disable Internet Protocol version 6, just tick that down, and double click on Internet version 4 and select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate you need to write 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, restart your computer, your problem should be fixed.